Maestro Sandeep Das is an amazing Indian tabla player. He's also an innovator, a collaborator. He's performed with some of the best musicians really around the world in beautiful venues, and it's just such an honor to have him here at RIT working with our students.
So reaching out to students, I think, is the only way forward. I've brought part of my project called the Transcending Borders One Note at a Time. I have worked on themes of connecting cultures, and the current one that we are bringing here is Delhi to Kabul.
So the residency is an opportunity for our students to engage for several days. They get a chance to see what it is to really master an artwork. A residency allows students within their schedule to pop in, see what's happening, learn something, come to the final performance, and get to actually know the musicians.
The biggest hope is, when you come attend a master class or a concert, we have created a nice bubble where there is peace, joy, happiness, right? But the biggest hope is that people will take something of that joy, the collaboration, the respect, the happiness that they see on stage, maybe spread it around, because I feel the world needs it.
When you have a world-class player with you, playing with him elevates your development and helps you grow personally and professionally as well.
The more you can listen to one another acoustically, is always better. If there is even 1% lack of confidence or commitment, the whole thing becomes shaky, right? So whenever you come in with 100% commitment. So like communicate with your eyes, with your body, with something, with your head. If she plays something nicely, appreciate. Let's start again. But a lot more commitment and love and musicality. Let's do it.
There's so many people who are majoring in something technical, but still have involvement in arts and music. And I find that very fulfilling, because I don't want to just do one thing. I'd like to be capable in a variety of areas. This is part of that, in me wanting to build a broader set of skills.
The students at RIT are just amazing. They are brilliant in the fact that they are studying subjects that I don't even know what it means. Yet at the same time, they're able to pull out their instruments and play music. I love this campus. I love this school. Very good, very good, very good.